Mr. Wilson, the video production person.
While you were watching the Bill Nye video, you probably noticed a lot of very slick production techniques that he uses to really grab our attention.
I didn't notice anything.
One technique is changing camera angles suddenly, like this. Does this shot make my nose look big? Or this, or even this. But switching camera angles is not just a way to grab attention. Different camera angles can help convey meaning as well. For example, an extreme close-up signifies "pay attention" or "danger." Shooting down on a person can make them seem weak, subservient, and scared. I'm scared. Shooting up at a person can make that person look big, imposing, and scary. I'm scary.
Nah, you ugly, man.
I'm scared. I'm scary. I'm scared. I'm scary.
Sucker don't scare me.
Sound effects, graphics, all combine to grab our attention and make us focus on what Bill Nye is trying to teach us. But does it help us focus, or does it distract us? Either way, it's quality video production.
This has been a Mr. Wilson, the video production person production.
I know just what it feels like to have a voice in the back of my head, like a face that I hold inside, face that awakes when I close my eyes, face that I watch every time I